Okay, we've got a question here about volumes and areas. The radius of both the sphere and the cone, the base of the cone, is 3 centimetres. And they tell us that the volume of the sphere is 3 times the volume of the cone. I've written down the various formulas involved: the volume of the sphere, the volume of the cone, and the surface area of a cone. And you can see they're all in terms of R and H. R we know, H we don't know, H being the height of the cone. But happily, the linking of the volumes will give me an expression for H. So let's do that first. The volume of the sphere is 3 times the volume of the cone. So I can say that 4/3 pi r cubed is equal to 3 times the volume of the cone. Now I can use the same symbol for r because we're told they are indeed the same, and I will eventually substitute r to be 3. So first of all, the pi's cancel. This 3 cancels with that 3. And the r squared here will cancel with r cubed, leaving just r. So what am I left with after that carnage? I've got that 4/3 r, that's all on the left-hand side, is equal to h. That's exactly what I want, an expression for h in terms of r. I can go on from this because r in this case is 3. The 3 will cancel with the 3 in the denominator here, and we get therefore h is equal to 4. And that is even easier. Now there's a trap here. The question wants the curved surface area of the cone, but this surface area of the cone contains the base as well. And the base is made up of this first term, pi r squared. So really all we want to work out the curved surface area is pi r multiplied by the square root sign here. So let's modify the formula first. The curved surface area is equal to pi times r multiplied by the square root of h squared plus r squared. Substitute in our values and we get 3 pi square root of h squared is 16 plus r squared is 9. And this is one of these square roots that work out very nicely. 16 plus 9 is 25. The square root of 25 is 5. Again, it will only be the positive answer that's required. So this is 5, 3 times 5, so the answer will be 15 pi. And there is your answer.